Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make your own Christmas sign. These make great gifts and they sell well in the markets. Let's start out with a wooden circle. I'm going to make the base color of this one white, but I have also seen them made with a dark stain instead. Once the paint is dry, use some green tape and section off a big part of the lower half. I'm going to paint this section red. Pull off the tape and let it dry. Cut out your design and then weed it. Apply some transfer paper and use your scraper to stick it down. Peel off the backing of the transfer paper, and if you have any issues with the vinyl not coming off the backing, just use your weeder to get it started. Place your design where you want it, then pull off the transfer paper. All you need now is to add a bow. I'm just using normal ribbon, and all I have to do here is roll it into a circle with 5 layers. Grab a piece of string or ribbon and tie the ribbon really tight. Pull the layers apart and arrange them how you'd like them. Use your glue gun to stick the bow in place, and this gift is ready to go. Thanks for watching, and I wish you luck on all of your Christmas projects. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.